Hello, dear viewers. Today we have an exciting topic that will stir up emotions and debates among astronomers and space enthusiasts. Yes, we are talking about Pluto. We will discuss why Pluto should still be considered a planet, despite its exclusion from the list of planets in 2006. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of science and space. Stay with us until the end to learn the most interesting facts and arguments that will make you look at this small, icy world in a new way. Let's start with some history. In 1930, astronomer Clyde Tombaugh discovered Pluto, and it was immediately recognized as the ninth planet in our solar system. This discovery was a real sensation, and Pluto quickly took an honorable place among the planets. For decades, it symbolized discovery and innovation, inspiring generations of children and adults to dream about the stars. But everything changed in 2006, when the International Astronomical Union, IAU, adopted a new definition of a planet, resulting in Pluto being reclassified as a dwarf planet. The new definition of a planet states that a planet must orbit the Sun, be massive enough to assume a nearly round shape, and clear its orbit of other objects. Pluto meets the first two criteria, but it shares its orbit with objects in the Kuiper belt, which led to its exclusion from the list of planets. This decision sparked heated debates among scientists and the general public. However, many scientists and astronomy enthusiasts disagree with this decision. They believe that the IAU's definition is too narrow and unfair to Pluto. For example, Alan Stern, the leader of the New Horizons mission, argues that Pluto has all the necessary characteristics of a planet, including an atmosphere, 5 moons, and complex geological structures. He calls Pluto a geologically active world with an amazing history. The New Horizons mission was a turning point in the study of Pluto. In 2015, the spacecraft reached Pluto and transmitted stunning images and data back to Earth. We learned that Pluto has icy mountains, plains covered with frozen nitrogen, and even possible underground oceans. These discoveries showed that Pluto is much more complex and interesting than we thought. Pluto's surface turned out to be covered with numerous unique landforms, such as mountains up to 3.5 kilometers high, made of water ice. One of the main arguments in favor of recognizing Pluto as a planet is its geological activity. For example, Pluto's surface features Sputnik Planitia, a plain made of frozen nitrogen that slowly moves like a glacier on Earth. This indicates that Pluto is not just a frozen world, but an active and living planet. Geological processes on Pluto suggest that its interior might be warm and contain liquid water. Pluto also has an atmosphere, consisting mainly of nitrogen with small amounts of methane and carbon monoxide. Pluto's atmosphere changes depending on its distance from the Sun, expanding and contracting over its 248-year orbital period. This fascinating phenomenon makes Pluto even more unique and deserving of planetary status. During its closest approach to the Sun, Pluto can lose a significant portion of its atmosphere, making it a dynamic and changing world. We should also consider the cultural significance of Pluto. For over 75 years, Pluto was part of our understanding of the solar system. Its exclusion from the list of planets caused disappointment for many people, especially those who grew up considering Pluto the ninth planet. Restoring Pluto to the list of planets will restore historical justice and respect for its uniqueness. It will also restore historical continuity and respect for the achievements of the first astronomers who discovered this amazing world. The opinion of the public is also important. Many surveys show that most people still consider Pluto a planet. This demonstrates that public perception plays an important role in defining what constitutes a planet. Perhaps we should reconsider our definition of a planet to better reflect common understanding and scientific discoveries. Public opinion can serve as an important factor in decision-making regarding the classification of celestial bodies. Support for recognizing Pluto as a planet is growing among scientists. In 2019, at a conference of planetary scientists in Houston, a new definition of a planet was proposed, which includes Pluto. According to this definition, a planet is a round object in space that is smaller than a star. This broader and more inclusive definition encompasses many objects in our solar system, including Pluto. This definition considers the diversity of planetary systems and allows for the inclusion of many interesting objects. Another important argument is that Pluto is located in the so-called habitable zone of the Kuiper Belt, where conditions for life might exist. For example, Pluto's subsurface oceans might contain the necessary liquid water for life. This makes Pluto an even more important object for research and exploration. The possible presence of liquid water on Pluto makes it an attractive candidate for searching for life beyond Earth. Many astronomers also believe that excluding Pluto from the list of planets sets a precedent for future discoveries. There are many objects in the solar system similar to Pluto, and if we follow the current definition, we will have to exclude other potentially interesting planets. This limits our understanding and exploration of space. We need a flexible and dynamic definition of a planet to account for the diversity of objects we may discover in the future. In conclusion, Pluto has many characteristics that make it a full-fledged planet. Its unique geological features, active atmosphere, cultural significance, and public support make it deserving of planetary status. Perhaps it's time to reconsider our definition of a planet and restore Pluto to its rightful place in the solar system. Pluto is a symbol of scientific curiosity and exploration, and it deserves its place among the planets. Dear viewers, what do you think about this? Do you agree that Pluto should be recognized as a planet? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Your opinion is important to us and can influence the future of the scientific community. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel to not miss new and interesting videos about space. And don't forget to click the bell to receive notifications about new releases. If we reach 500 likes, I will upload a video about potential candidates for planetary status in our solar system. We will explore objects in the Kuiper Belt and other regions of space that might become new planets. So, don't miss it. This will be an exciting exploration of new worlds and potential planets that can change our understanding of the solar system. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next cosmic journey. Stay with us to learn more about the mysteries of the universe and share your thoughts and ideas. Space awaits us, and we are ready to explore it together with you.